Hello, we are going to review another product that I just received today. I just want to show you, and it's these USB-C to Lightning adapters. And sometimes we have products that we don't have the correct adapter. Maybe we have a C and we wanted to connect it to our iPhone or any kind of Apple device. So this package, very practical, comes with 4 pieces, and we're going to look at it right here. See, there comes 4 pieces, very small, but very practical. So let's see the first one. This first one here is a USB-C, and it goes to the regular uh, type of connection that we have, other USB. Um, it goes with different, like Androids, I can connect with this. This one is a USB-C, a USB-A to a USB-C. See, we can connect this to the laptop and connect a USB-C cable here. This other one is a USB-C, and this one connects to an Apple cord, a lightning cord. And this other one connects to an Apple phone or a Apple device, and it has another USB-C male. So you see we have 4 different ones here. These are adapters that we can connect to our different charging cards. The good thing I like about it is that um, it's easy to use. As you can see here, like for example, it has this little card, like a little chain here, and it has this little string. And let's say you are going to connect this to your phone. You just put it like this, right? You just connect it like this, see? And then it wouldn't lose. So you can just take your phone and plug it in, and this would not lose, right? So if you do like this, you see, you put this here, you see, and you plug it into your iPhone or your Apple product, you would not lose the adapter. So that's the good thing I like about this, and you wouldn't have to be worrying about losing these little parts. Hope you like this review.